Occupational Safety and Health (OSH) refers to the policies, procedures, and practices put in place to protect workers from injury, illness, and other hazards in the workplace. In Zimbabwe, the Factories and Works Act, along with labor regulations and environmental management laws, guides industries in implementing safety standards. Industries across Zimbabwe, from mining and agriculture to manufacturing, must adopt OSH measures to ensure the well-being, productivity, and safety of employees. Key measures to promote OSH in Zimbabwean industries. 1. Provision of personal protective equipment, PPE. Industries provide employees with safety gear to protect them from physical, chemical, or biological hazards. Examples: miners in Hwange wear helmets, overalls, safety boots, gloves, and masks to protect from dust and falling rocks. Chemical factory workers in Msasa Industrial Area, Harare, use goggles and lab coats when handling corrosive substances. 2. Employee training and safety awareness programs. Workers are trained on how to operate machinery, handle dangerous substances, respond to emergencies, and follow safety protocols. Example: Delta Corporation conducts routine safety workshops to educate staff on handling brewing equipment and fire extinguishers. 3. Regular equipment maintenance and servicing. Industries ensure that machines and equipment are regularly inspected and serviced to prevent malfunction and accidents. Example: textile industries in Kadoma regularly check looms and cutters to reduce the risk of injuries. 4. Emergency preparedness and response systems. Industries install and maintain fire alarms, emergency exits, first aid kits, and fire extinguishers for use in case of accidents. Example: food processing factories in Norton have visible fire exit signs and conduct fire drills quarterly. 5. Medical surveillance and health checks. Workers undergo routine medical checkups, especially in industries with exposure to harmful substances or strenuous work. Example: workers in the asbestos industry in Msasa undergo lung function tests to detect early signs of respiratory diseases. 6. Proper waste disposal and ventilation systems. Industries manage waste effectively and ensure proper ventilation to reduce pollution and health risks. Example: chemical industries in Chitungwiza install fume extractors and treat liquid waste before disposal. 7. Appointment of safety officers and committees. Many industries designate trained safety officers or form safety committees to enforce OSH standards and carry out inspections. Example: at Zimbabwe Power Company, ZPC, Kariba, safety officers monitor workers and investigate any reported hazards. 8. Adherence to national and international safety standards. Industries comply with the National Social Security Authority (NSSA) safety regulations and may also adopt ISO certification standards, e.g., ISO 45001. Example: large companies like Zimplats are ISO certified and follow international safety benchmarks in mining operations. 9. Limiting working hours and providing rest periods. To prevent fatigue-related accidents, industries limit shift durations, ensure adequate rest, and discourage overtime abuse. Example: in Gweru's manufacturing industries, shift workers alternate between day and night to minimize burnout. 10. Safe storage of hazardous substances. Industries ensure that toxic chemicals, flammable materials, and sharp tools are properly labeled and stored in secure, ventilated areas. Example: paint manufacturing companies in Bulawayo store flammable liquids in fire-resistant rooms with warning signs.